Hello, kids. Today, Bible stories with Paul Wachowski and Nessie, the Lapis Monster. Cute, fluffy monster. Ooh, that's hot. There you are. Continue for a second. So today, the topic of passage we're talking about will be suffering. Now, suffering, you may ask, is like pain we endure through like doing our homework assignments, like trying to figure out what's 2 plus 2 is. And that thing's bippy at me. Or like when we do a sport, or like doing shooting hoops and like missing every 3-point shot. Just keep missing. That's what suffering is, enduring pain and hardships. Now today, the idea uh, is perseverance builds character, and character builds hope. Now, if I may, can I ask you guys to do the motions? I'm going to teach you the motions in a second, with me, and say it with me as well. Every time I say the big idea. So again, the big idea is perseverance builds character, and character builds hope. Here are the motions. Perseverance, one in place, whew, out of breath. Builds character, make a chopping hand motion on your hand, if you're hammering your nail. Character, stand up tall and strong, like Dwayne Johnson, hands and hip. And character, do Dwayne Johnson again with hands and hip. Builds hammering motion again with the hand. Oh, smile! And you're opening a Christmas gift. Can't believe it's that time of year. So, let's do that one more time, shall we? Now, let's all stand up to our feet, or our knees. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perseverance builds character, and character builds hope. Ooh. Thank you, kids. You can sit back down, or kneel back down, sit back down. Today, we want to grab our Bibles. We're reading from passage in Romans, chapter 5, verse 2 through 4. It's on suffering and how uh, on the impact of what happens when we do suffer. Do you all have a Bibles out? Follow along with me. Romans chapter 5, verse 2 through 4. It reads, Therefore, whom also we have access by faith into this grace in which we stand, and rejoice in hope of the glory of God. And not only that, we also glory in tribulations, knowing that tribulation produces perseverance, and perseverance, character, and character, hope. Man, that's such a good passage of scripture. But it's also said in verse 4, our big idea. Ready to say with me, my children? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perseverance builds character, and character builds hope. There you go. Thank you, kids. Now you see in front of me on this table, right behind Nessie, I have this metal-looking cloth thing that you can put up. It's called an ironing board. Now I suggest you have your parents with you whenever you touch ironing board, or just have your parents do it. Because what comes along with ironing board is this fancy machine right here. It's called an iron. Now, I would touch this part right here, but during the beginning part of this message, it beeped, saying that it's ready. And what an iron does is that it heats up to a certain temperature. You see on the gauge here. You can barely read that. I'm sorry. We have numbers 1 through 7. Each number represents a different heat system. See, it's on. And I have it on setting 5, which is meant for constant. But the type of t-shirt, or dress shirt that I have here. This is 100% cotton. Now what ironing does is it uses heat and water to make steam to de-wingify our t-shirts. So today we'll show you an example of what a t-shirt must suffer when how a t-shirt must severe through an ironing and what happens. So bring this into context of our lives. Each of these wrinkles is a math problem of 2 plus 2 plus 2, or shooting hoops, or simply running a 5K, or simply not cleaning your room in time when your parents come. They come. When we let God into our lives, to shaping us, we let trials come, and we stay faithful and honoring, and we and we keep reading our Bibles, listening to our parents, not giving up when trials is hard. This is why your parents are with you when you do it. I almost lost my hand. Let's back up. Okay. Now let's move on to the sleeves. Now I'm only going to do the back today, for the sake of time. But here you go. Onto the sleeves. Whew, this is hot. Whew. Man. Woo-hoo-hoo. This t-shirt is going. This t-shirt has shot many hoops today. Yeah. You have to place your t-shirts on your dress shirt wherever you need to iron. You can also iron pants. Does not use it not use siblings. And make sure you place out correctly. If not, you form wrinkles, like I just did right here. Okay. Now to fix this part down here, because it caught up with me in my daily life. I'm sorry, Nancy. I'm sorry. So, point of this lesson today, as an example of ironing a t-shirt, we have trials in our lives. We may not want trials to happen, nor would we want, yeah. But only through the trials, only through the heating process of the iron, can the t-shirt be made nice looking again. And that's what the scripture was saying. In perseverance, there's character. When we persevere, our character grows. Our t-shirt gets smooth. And when character is fulfilled, hope comes. You see, I'm getting very excited to wear this again. This t-shirt looks very nice and smooth looking. Also very warm. Do this during winter time, you get hot all the time. Yeah. So here is what my t-shirt looks like now. Wrinkles are mostly out. Okay, kids. This week, passage of scripture was on suffering. Next week, we reading through the parable of the lost sheep. And next week, the Bible stories with Paul Nadrowski and Netzi. You'll help me find my lost sheep. See you later.